In this example, we will be finding the square root of 28. In order to find the square root of 28, we first need to review an important math concept, which is the square root of a times b is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b, meaning that if we are multiplying two values inside of a square root, we can separate them out into their own individual square roots multiplied by each other. In order to solve the square root of 28, we first need to factor. In this case, we can factor to 4 and 7. While there are other factors of 28, I chose 4 and 7 because 4 is a perfect square. We need a perfect square in order to further simplify. We can now rewrite the square root of 28 as the square root of 4 times the square root of 7. And then further rewrite this as the square root of 4 times the square root of 7 by using our math rule we established before. By recognizing that 2 times 2 equals 4, we can rewrite the square root of 4 as 2. Now, we can rewrite the square root of 28 as 2 times the square root of 7. This is our fully simplified version. We can also estimate the square root of 28 by looking at perfect squares near 28. We can first look at 5 squared, which is 25, and then 6 squared, which is 36. Because 28 lies between 25 and 36, we can write the following inequality. The square root of 25 is less than the square root of 28, which is less than the square root of 36. Because 5 squared equals 25, we can rewrite the square root of 25 as 5. Similarly, because the square root of 36 is equal to 6, we see that we have 6 squared equal to 36. We can therefore rewrite 6 instead of the root 36. Now we can see that the square root of 28 is between 5 and 6. In order to find which whole number the square root of 28 is closest to, we can look at the difference between 28 and our perfect squares. We do this by subtracting them. We can now see there's a 3 difference between 28 and 25. And when we do 36 minus 28, we get 8, meaning that there's a difference of 8 between 36 and 28. Now we can see that 25 is closer to 28, and therefore 5 will be closer to the square root of 28. We can then approximate 28 to 5.